Hello, everyone. We all want to make money. Some of us want to make more. I'm here to talk to you today about how to make $150 per day or more. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm Selena Michelle. My channel is all about making money from home, passively or not, with multiple opportunities that can make you money. Now, this opportunity I'm going to talk to you about today is all about using apps, using free apps and paid apps to make money. As you are aware, almost all businesses are now giving an incentive to others just to share their business. For example, if you have a bank, they may offer you an incentive to share a special link and they will give you money just for sharing who you're banking with. You've got cellular phone companies that are saying share your service with others and we will pay you, we'll give you a month off, whatever it is. There's a lot of incentive out there. So to me, it's no different than what the apps are doing. This app I'm going to talk to you about today is special, and here's why. You can earn money just for downloading apps. So I want you guys to all visit www.earnfromtheapp.com. When you see that site, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and this is where it talks about how to get information on downloading free apps that pay you. Once you're here, you just want to click here to become a cash magnet, and it'll take you to this page. All right, so you can earn, like I said, over $150 a day just sharing an app and sharing information about an app. This system is a training app, so they're going to teach you how to make money even more with this cash app system. It's one time $27, and you guys, if you just get the system, watch the training, and download some of these free apps, you're going to immediately get your $27 back and then some. And then by sharing this information with others, you're incentivized and you earn $27 for everyone who purchases the training just like you do. So you're going to watch the video and learn about information. And then it goes into more information explaining why this concept was even created. Okay? And then you join and start earning 100% commissions for $27 over and over again. If you have 6 people that are interested in earning money from apps, share this with them and you would earn $150 plus. Now, you don't have to share it with friends or family. This is by, passing out your business cards, posting on Facebook, Craigslist, anything that is free traffic, you could share this and earn over and over again. People are excited about it because once they go through the training and realize how easy it is to earn that money back quickly and continue to earn for downloading apps, it just makes sense. Making money with your phone. If you're interested in Wi-Fi, wealth, and the laptop lifestyle, this is it, my friends. All right. So once again, the website is www.earnfromtheapp.com. Go to the bottom of the page, it'll take you here, and you can check it out. Now, on this page, it'll also show you other ways of earning money back. Now, I recently did a video about how you can shop online and make money through Rakuten, where you're literally just buying things online that you would normally buy, such as travel, Christmas gifts, and you get cash back on what you spend. Hello? It is a no-brainer. Then you've got this one where you get cash back for your gas. One of my favorites. Why? Because anyone who has a car, you are going to need gas, correct? So definitely want to download this one. This is the first one on this website. You go here and download it. And then once you have the app, when you're ready to put gas in your car, you just look at the options, click on claim. See here in the orange? I'll blow that up. You literally click on claim. and pump your gas. When you're done pumping your gas, you want to upload the receipt to the app, and then it approves it for you and you get cash back. In this example, you can see where I filled up my gas with $40 and got $7.76 back. Now, that may not be $1,000,000, but you guys, I was going to fill up my tank regardless. So why not save money doing it? So that's a good tip. If you like what you're hearing so far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you can hear more updates when I upload videos about how to make money. All right, so that's that one. We talked about Rakuten. Then there's, of course, the get cash back for groceries for everyday purchases. There are so many items that you can go grocery shopping for and get cash back right here just using this app. So again, earnfromtheapp.com. Go down to this one. This is Ibotta. Super, super cool. Then you've got rewards for driving without texting. I've earned now well over $400 in this app just for referring folks as well as driving without texting. It's a good incentive to keep people focused on the road and saving lives. Going back to the Cash App system and how it can make you money, you guys, it literally takes less than 5 minutes to go here and sign up, watch the training. You don't even have to watch all the training to get started, but you follow these steps quickly and you just go to town earning that money with downloading apps. And if you don't want to share it with others, you don't have to. It's just additional income if you do. You can just download the apps and enjoy making that money over and over again with all these apps. There are more and more apps being introduced constantly. You yourself might want to make an app. I don't know. But these apps are paying people every day like you and I because they want business and they want you to share it with others. And it's all about 2020, y'all. It's time to make some money, and this is one good way of doing so. Now, I'm not one to share things that I have not personally tried or do. I always want to take a look at things and be a customer or a tester, or as my family would call me, a guinea pig, if you will, before sharing it with others. So I feel pretty confident in the fact that you guys will love this. And it's $27. Like, you're not going to miss that. At least I hope you won't. If you feel that you're going to miss $27, that's even more of a reason for you to get this training today. Earnfromtheapp.com. Go to the bottom and go ahead and join and start making some money. Here's what the video talks about.
I know you're probably on your mobile, so I'll keep this short. You can make money with your smartphone, Android or iPhone if you're in the US or the UK. I just made a step-by-step course that you can actually do on your phone that will walk you through how to make over $100 a day just by downloading a free app and using it. I know it sounds like a scam or that there must be a catch, but that's why I posted my actual live Facebook page with a...
That's it, guys. It's that simple. So I won't bore you with the details because, of course, you can go to the site and watch it. But that's how simple this is. It's funny when you tell people about, excuse me, I'm battling a cold here. When you tell people about ways to make money, it's almost like they're in disbelief and they don't believe that it's so easy. And some people feel like if it's too easy, then it's a scam, or there's something wrong. There's a catch. You know what? I'm so sorry that a lot of you have been scammed. I've been scammed too, but this is not one of them. Sometimes there is value in things that don't cost very much, okay? There are some things that you pay for that it might be $5, and there's several upgrades. You get your basic $5 product you bought, and then there's a million upgrades. There's some of you who have purchased like a free book, and they say it's a free book. If you don't like it, it's okay, keep it. It's a free book. You only have to pay shipping and handling. Guess what, guys? That handling part is really paying for the book, right? So if you don't like it or not, it really doesn't matter, because in that author's mind, they've already charged you for the book and they don't have to worry about a refund, because you can't get refunds on shipping and handling. That's not a scam. I'm just saying that we all pay for things that don't cost very much, but you get a lot of value from it. This is just another one of those things. A very affordable training that will give you your money back by literally using the training. You're going to earn your $27 back without even having to refer anybody. I'm just saying refer people because you can make more and more money. 6 people is over $150. It's a no-brainer to me, but we all like to contemplate and think about what makes sense for you. Like I said, I'm all about making passive income. This is just one of those ways. Go ahead and check it out. earnfromtheapp.com, and I will see you guys on the other side. If you have questions, let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and get in touch with me on social media. Bye, guys.